Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub repository using Visual Studio 2022. So first, we'll create a new project. We will select Console App for this demo because it's a very simple project. So let's name our GitHub repository my let's click next. So let's leave the default values. Let's click create. So next is we'll click Git changes at the right tab. Okay. Click create Git repository. Let's click create and push. So let's go to GitHub. Let's refresh the page. There you will see the sample GitHub repo. Thank you.